want to input design, we can collect the data. After we can input design. So first, what data input? Then we can collect the data. What data will be input? Else one is we can input our data in the system. The second is medium of to be used. What medium to be used? We can input data different medium to in the system. So how data to be we can input data and we can give input data. After we can medium will be used another medium. Then output data to be entered. Then we can enter in different manner in data. And how to validate data enter? Data capture. Data capture means collecting the data and generating data in the system. It's in a computer-based format in the system. This is a main system. Collecting documents to be typed, making measurement and key, asking people of different questions. There are no information without data. That means that we want to create a system. Then without data we cannot collect. Without data we cannot implementing a system. Data is available in different sources. We can collect data in different sources. Either internal source we can collect data and external source we can collect data. The data combinations are various type of symbols. In this we can collect data. We can collect data in different formats. Either alphabetic, numeric, dot, and etc. We can collect the data. The computer accepts those data which are in machine accessible. We can input data in the system. It is not actual data, but we can transfer data in input data. It is called actual data of the system. Data obtained is not sensible for direct reading of the computer. That means that we can input directly data which is not a sensible form. We can input in computer form is for computer sensible form. The total collection of data system is used to manage. And here, data collection basically data collection means the process getting the data from a machine sensible form. Here in this we can collect the data as our need. We can collect the data as per our need. For example, we can create a library management system. Then we can collect only library related data. Data capture means basically refer to sensible form. Basically, as per need we can अलग रूप से as per need विशेष रूप से we can collect the data. It's called data sensible form. Input data never negative result into data entry, but instead as results are performed in a different perspective. Here we can take one example. This broadcast data equipment supermarket checkout. Then we can supermarket. What supermarket will be in object example? We can supermarket data only collect data on S1 need. As like the sales of the or purchase order is just supermarket will be collect data S1 need is for supermarket. So data means process translate source document into machine sensible format. We can collect data. It is not actual format. Data entry we can enter data into machine sensible. Data information is nothing accessible. It's same as database. Collection. We cannot collect data in different data. It's stored in each per database. The basic size is data capture. Originating data, original data. We can collect the data. Which is original is not. It's just the collection of data is stored. We can collect data is a particular of the system that can store either internal source or external source. We can collect data. This involves here preparation of the source documentation including preparation of administration. Here we can take one example is preparing admission management. That means we want to give up admission for my college. Then we can create a database or input data is the admission management. The data transmission. Data move of point to point in processing. We can collect data transfer in move point to point in processing.
Data preparation.
The transcription of the source document is to input
media.
Input media such as magnetic disk. We can data prepare. We can prepare the data. We can backup or we can store data into magnetic disk or magnetic disk. Very different. Verification means data input is valid or correct or not. This is called a verification. Sorting means that we can arrange data in any format, either name, either roll number. Control. The state ensures that the all data collected and input are correct. Control means that control performs that we can enter data will be correct or not. Computer input is the simple. We can enter data into not actual format. Then we can input data into computer sensible format, input computer.